Yeah. Buy another one.
And another one.
Another one. What we got here? 70%
long.
Yeah, 70% long. That's right.
I don't love that. I don't love that.
Jay, remember earlier today we were talking, I was watching the Russell here. Let's watch that. I mean, I'm seeing it again here as it's making its first move and everybody's sort of getting in line behind it. Just a little something to watch. Not a guarantee, but I'm watching that Russell new high here also again.
$8,303. 304 is now on the NASDAQ. New highs just put in about 5 minutes ago.
There's a lot of FOMO in this market.
This rally.
A lot. Yeah. No, everyone's going to be just thinking like, wow,
how can you
Tesla's up 7%? And traders are going to be like, man, what? This was just a big opportunity for everyone to buy it, right? This major sell-off in these markets where everyone was panicking, thinking recession. And Peter Tuchman knows his stuff. He doesn't joke around when it's just there's opportunities in this market, and you don't want to be the one that's like sitting back and saying, wow, that recession fear was a beautiful opportunity to buy it, and
he always says that.
Yeah, we were at
80% long here in the NASDAQ now.
Sure is.
All right, I'm flat there.
72?
Took the 10 points on that.
Short this
10?
I'm flat there.
Nice.
Yep.
Oh,
just real quick.
80% long.
Would you cover 10s?
Yep. Yeah, covered right at 10s.
310. 20,312.
I still think there's more room up.
What got you tilt spook you out of that one?
A little bit, and just not seeing a ton of volume coming in at this high. It feels a little indecisive. So I didn't just get out. I trailed to a point, and it tagged me out. I will get back in this trade, but it just felt a little heavy. Right, we're making new highs. I don't see volume increasing on those highs, so we'll see. Maybe have an opportunity to get back into this though.
Cool. Actually,
if I had a better entry, I would stay in. Right, if I got 290s instead of 300s, I'd still be in. I think.
Tilt's way heavy long, 72%.
Was
they're getting paid so far?
Yes, they are. Dakota still up right here along the highs. It's 80% long NASDAQ.
Actually, I'm kind of curious. I got a question for chat here. How many people actually wake up to specifically trade the open, or you just wake up to watch for like the first half hour to 1 hour and then you start trading? Is it like a morning ritual of watching the market open, or is it like game time for chat? Because as someone who does not participate in fast markets all that often, it is a totally different market, say compared to 11 a.m. or 1 or 2. Totally different.
That's like Jerome. Jerome waits. I mean, he is very patient. And
see that one?
I love it.
I love the chat.
You're the best.
I love the chat. Yes, they are. I saw that one too.
Just Dakota. Just look for trades. Look at all these responses. Chat's ready this morning. Let's go.
Chat's ready. NASDAQ's ready. Still putting in new highs here. 20,324 with a long side tilt. Look at the ES long side tilt as well as we put in new highs. Dow putting in new highs as well. Bulls coming in here. Nice. Bulls mean business this morning. Pull up the chat. Yeah. You wake up to trade or watch the New York Open? Watch. Okay. Like that.
Any FOMO, Coach Jay?
No, not right now. I think it's going to be a long day. There's a ton of opportunities. If I change anything, I'm switching my default to a 2-lot just so I can scale out of positions. But no FOMO. We don't do FOMO.
I got FOMO in Tesla.
Yeah, so do I.
Right.
It was down 15% a couple weeks ago in one day. Uh-oh.
I know.
Just buy it.
It's volatility.
Hanging around the highs here. NASDAQ. S&P is very strong. Dow, all buying.
Man, those
order filled.
Not look far away anymore, Coach Dakota.
Look at this.
No, it does not. The question is just how do you get in? Coach Jay's had the only entry, right? The 300. That was
More buying, new
25
highs.
points to
Look
go.
at these bulls
Buying.
go.
You think we're still bullish here? Strong bull?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, new
So
highs.
think
So long.
I think
When
we
was
might get
the
a quick
last-
flush.
It might be.
What are you selling?
We got the pullback to start. That's it.
Yeah, I'm waiting for a pullback here. Talking to my
Richie
friend
Bell's
Russell.
810 last trade Dow. 16 points off the highs there. Gold turned around. Bottom now. We're up about $6 in the last 5 minutes or so. Bottom now 30.23 last trade, 30.28.
Yeah, gold
Someone says
healthy.
weekly gap must be filled. False. Gaps do not get filled 100% of the time.
Must is a strong word.
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Very
Or
strong.
Especially in
results.
markets that we don't control.
64% wake
Yeah.
up. Wake up
Not full house play.
to trade the New York Open. 500 quick votes coming in hot.
Wow.
Hanging.
That's a lot of people, actually. I'm kind of surprised.
Yeah, it is. It's awesome. Let's trade. It's Monday. Let's trade. It's Top Step TV. You got the All-Stars in the house. Jay, Dolby time. Dakota, Eddie. Let's rock and roll.
Got us all, whether you like it or not.
We're just watching it.
All right.
What would you be? What does an entry signal look like to you, Dakota, on something like this?
We need to get up to these 400s and have some type of reversal, or we have some big pullback and some
Mhm.
type of reversal off the pullback. I mean, buying up here, the risk reward is just not here. I mean,
Right.
you really want to buy when NASDAQ's up 1.8%? Sure, buy high, sell higher. This pretty extended right now. It's past, you know how I measure those moves on the higher time frame, Coach Jay. We're well past what an expected move is, and so I definitely do not want to be a buyer when we're well past that. Maybe we get, maybe we get a bigger move. Maybe we get like an entire move, which we're almost there, which is going to be closer to those 400. And then pullbacks. How do you keep doing? You short, then you short some more, then you short some more, thinking that this gap's going to get filled, thinking we're going to reverse. I mean, you get yourself in a bad position doing that. Trust me, I've done it.
Yeah. Same here.
If you're going to try and do it, you do it with small size, and then you cut your losses short, and then hopefully one of them will work out.
20,360 puts us at 2% up on the NASDAQ.
Already?
Yep.
Yeah, good morning.
Come on. Cool market. New highs,
Get your running shoes on. Time to chase.
Yeah. New highs, Dow.
I mean, you could buy it with micros, right? And
Sure can.
that might be the way to do it. Just buy it with smaller risk.
I mean, you've done it. You bought 300s. We're 30 points
Yep.
higher. We're 35 points higher.
Yes, we are. I took 30% of that move so far.
So far.
If it goes another 100 points, then I get 10% of the move. But and then I'll start
All
feeling
relative.
the FOMO, Dolby. But we'll find it. We'll find a spot.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the 1 minute does have some setups. Just depends if you like taking them. There's been some nice little 1 minute ranges. 310s has had a couple 1 minute wick tests. Actually, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. That all kind of supported and bounced, but all higher highs, higher lows on the 1 minute. So there's not a lot of consolidation today at all. Every single time frame I have on the NASDAQ is broken up to the upside, all green. Daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute,
15
5 minute is
seconds.
strong. 1 minute is the only one that is starting to get some form of consolidation. Strong.
It's amazing what the market will do when it's quiet and there's no drama in the politics. No tariffs.
Infinite bid.
No.
Yeah. Hoop was saying this. This is small like up and to the right. Those days might be
Mhm.
back.
So what's interesting about that 360 area, that puts us at 2% up on the day. That also puts us at 10% off the all-time high. And there's a daily candle that we talked about during the opening call. That's the high of that candle as well. So a lot going on in that 360 area. I'd look for, if I'm looking to get short, I probably wouldn't do it before that. And then in the same sense, if I'm looking to get long, that might give us a pullback or a target to the long side. 360s.
There's 80 contracts that just got filled right there
Is that a pullback?
right now.
Is this a pullback?
Ooh,
Is
might
this
be
a
some
pullback?
selling.
Ridiculous.
A pullback? Is it a sell? I'm off about 25
Ooh.
points in the NASDAQ.
We could start a sell-off right here, or a pullback, whatever you want to call it. 3-bar reversal on the 5-minute chart would be 304, but still very difficult to short this.
Kind of
Short it with
curious to see
smaller size, maybe.
if 310s end up holding. It's bounced once recently. Let's see if it holds. Buyers have been doing a pretty good job of supporting 310s. Maybe that is the pullback.
Because they know that's where I got out, Dolby.
Is that why? Oh, yeah, that
They're
is.
trying to keep you out, Jay.
Yeah. Those jerks.
50. Bulls are doing a nice job, and
They
they'll
are.
give another shot.
I mean, they're certainly achieving more than the Bears are. Bears are just getting steamrolled today
Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are.
until
On
the
Mike
tweet
is
comes
next.
out. Then maybe it changes everything. But until then,
Till then,
There's
we
440 contracts at 2040. Traders are saying.
20,400. 400
Yeah.
to the upside. Let's take a look there. Well, when we take a look for that 400 line, I don't see it just yet. Take a look for that 400 line. We got Top Step tip of the week. Yes, it is Monday. Come out the new tip of the week every Monday. We're going to repeat it Monday through Friday so everyone remembers. And we keep it in our own heads as well while we trade. Eddie, what is that tip of the week? Your Top Step and Top Step TV.
Top Steps tip of the week.
Now?
Yes, now. All right. The thing is, Top Step tip of the week here, stay calm under pressure. This goes with everything in life, basically. Use the breathing technique to relax. Step away after a few tough losses. You need to do that. Focus on the next opportunity. Avoid emotional, impulsive decisions. Staying calm is essential for traders because the financial markets are unpredictable and emotion reactions can lead to poor decision making. And when you're calm, you think logically and you follow through your trading. Remember, clearer decision making, emotional trading, fear, greed. Now, these are two big killers of accounts. They cloud your judgment, leading to impulsive entries and exit. And the last one here, example, a calm trader follows their stop loss, while a panic trader might hold on, hoping for a reversal. And that's what we got so far today for Top Steps tip of the week. Back to you, Andre.
Stay calm under pressure. Great stuff. Speaking of which, some people are staying calm under pressure. This is Rising Star Week, by the way, Top Step TV. We can bring you Rising Stars all week long. Rising Stars, recently funded traders, I would say, coming up through the ranks. Rising Stars here at Top Step. And we got one today. We got Riker. One tomorrow. We got two on Wednesday. One on Thursday. Another one on Friday. Bringing the Rising Stars here at Top Step. Who's the Rising Star today? Riker. Riker will be joining us this afternoon. Coach Dakota. Yes, Rising Star Week here at Top Step.
Could you be the next Rising Star? That's the question.
Exactly. Very excited to show you the Rising Stars.
Yeah. Oscar, that's very important to be able to watch this market and not trading. It's difficult, but it's important.
Ooh, someone in chat was
I
calling
didn't know
out
you
Bitcoin.
spoke Spanish.
That's a good call. Bitcoin
Yeah,
trading
I do,
88,000 evens right now.
There you go.
Not extremely fluent in Spanish, but I do. I do.
Crude up 25 cents in this 5-minute candle. Last trade, $68.83, 85 cents now. Recent high is $68.92.
Well, you might get your reversal here, Dakota.
Yeah. This could be a nice little reversal setup. I'm gonna jump into one short. I am in one NASDAQ short from 309 on this 3-bar reversal. I'm gonna practice it small size, very small size.
In the chat, Ben is trading copper Shout out to the London session, Coach D, for another great
Oh, nice.
Papa
Sweet.
short. There you go. Thanks for sharing that, Ben.
There we go. Yeah, actually, one of my favorite reversal setups actually took place on NASDAQ. So we had that from the 1 minute, the 1 minute candlestick high that topped out at 20,338. The low of that
Order
candlestick
filled.
is 20,327. I do like seeing that support turn into resistance, like the highest candlestick, the low of it, and then we've had just ceiling tops right at 20,327. One of my favorite little reversal setups.
What was that? What just hit there? Got one eye on this crude. Crude up 25 cents, and still looks like it wants to cook and put in new highs.
Shout out to
68.86.
Mo with the trade location of the day.
What was it again?
Oh, I know.
68.25.
Mo.
Yeah.
He's literally the
Crazy
low tick
good.
of that move.
Oh, yeah. Great trade.
Is he
What a
out?
trade.
Can we get an update? I'm assuming he's
No,
out of
Mo,
the
you're
trade,
there.
right?
Muhammad.
Recap. So I need all these prices. It's very important.
I got you. What's he short from? 309?
Correct. Yes.
Now
Just looking
307
for a
straight.
push
305.
into like the 90s or something.
The oil pop sparked this move to the downside. And the equities is my question. A big pop like that in crude maybe means there's a headline out there. Haven't seen it yet.
I haven't either.
Yeah. Something looks like these equities are starting to wake up to the downside here.
Yes, keep going this way, man. We got 7 minutes on this.
50-50 on the tilt. And 73% long crude on this move to new highs. Good job. We're selling coming in. I break through these 300s, 20,300 last trade, 307, 308 now.
It's good trading so
Yeah.
far.
Slower here. Gold saw rejection in the buyers, and now we're into the 280 handle, 288 print.
Let's see if we could get this. I clicked join bid, and it's instantly the market bounced a little bit.
Does it run
Worst
away?
button Worst button there is,
Yeah.
Dakota.
Yeah,
I know. I'm just gonna close it. I'm just gonna just close position. Sometimes I'll just hit join bid, and that's like the low of the move.
Every time.
never get the feel.
Yeah, Nvidia turned red. Not Nvidia, Microsoft. Nvidia didn't turn it.
Microsoft turned red.
What happened, Microsoft? 57.98 last trade. Yes. Good morning, Claude.
Nice short, Dakota. You flat?
No, not yet. Not yet. I'm looking for these
Okay.
80s, Coach Jay. I tried to close out at 88. I'm gonna look for another push lower into the mid 80s.
Right
Oh,
there.
Just like that.
There you
Come
go.
to
There we go.
mid-80s.
There we go.
Nice. What'd you cover at?
I think 85 something. Yeah, 85.
Sure.
Nice trade.
Sold 309s.
73% long.
Bought 85s. That is a nice start to the week.
And
Yeah.
that's why we always tell traders to follow their own process. I say it all the time. Where's that risk disclosure? It's not a signals class. You follow your own process. Think for yourself. Get that marshmallow. Right, Coach Jay?
Yep, I'm long 2. From 85 half. Let's see, I might get stopped out on this one, but following process, 85 half, long 2. Looking for
Micros
a
or
retest of those
minis?
300s. 2 minis.
What's your price?
85 half.
Nice. You had a good trade too.
It's basically
Awesome.
where I got out, Jay. I sold it.
Yeah.
I was just waiting for you to say when you got out, and then I was going to buy it.
Team trading. Like a
I'm
crew
out of
just
one.
put new highs. $69
we're-
even.
Just passing the contract back and forth.
Where'd
I'm
you
out
get
of
out
one.
at 95s?
95s, yeah. And this one I'm going to try to hold. Just a real quick trade. We'll see what happens at 300 here.
It's in the ES for.
Nice pass, Dakota.
Yeah, look
Yeah.
at you pass the
I
baton.
get an assist.
Yeah.
Down new highs.
Good trading so far.
Order filled.
Nice flow. Staying calm under pressure, like the tip of the week.
Hey, utilize that TopStepX. Use those risk features. It's a great way to relieve pressure.
Seriously, is Dolby. It's a good call.
I don't love us
usually
not
charge
pushing
10%.
300s there.
Yep. With you on that one. Is this the new stair step low thing that we got going on? Or are we just like going to shed 100 points because we can't make new highs anymore?
Yep. Yeah, I would have loved to see us just push 300s there. That's why I took one off.
That's also why you put
see
two
that.
lots on, Jay. So you can scale in,
Yeah,
scale
Exactly.
out.
And I'm flat. So
Scratch?
started off down 3. Yep. Well, took $150 on one, scratch on the other.
Okay.
Just not going small trades for now. Started off the session down 300 plus 67 now, and
Nice.
we'll look to continue to trade this.
Who
Yeah,
swapped
there-
positions with Coach Jay?
There it goes, too.
Is that
There
you,
it goes,
Dakota?
Jay.
You long
Come
now?
on.
There it goes. There it goes.
Son of
That's
a gun.
goes.
twice,
It's okay.
man. That's twice.
Come on.
But
What's
the
another
stops are
20
better
points,
entries,
Jay?
man. Look at that. Into those 300s.
Yeah,
That's okay.
It's fun.
Good trade. You
Quick trades.
cannot dislike the process.
Nice rally.
Yeah, I think this goes now.
Unreal.
That is
Amazing.
I
tough.
think this goes now.
S&P's on the move to the upside here, about a 57.96, up about 6 points in this 5-minute candle. Let's trade 58.02. For size on the ladder. Did see what 400 lot up at 20,400. Can't see it on my ladder right now. Got some room to go, about 90 points from that. Let's trade 20,000.
There we go. Kalen Bright says, I got flat and Kalen bought it. So we pass it off to someone. Kalen, run with it.
Nice. Like a little hot potato.
The profits. Great to see. Good start to the morning. Good start to the week so far. Buyers had conviction. Buyers aren't done, are they?
Nope.
Pullbacks are just that deep now. Nice cover there, Dakota.
Mm-hmm. Someone says the weekly gap will get filled. What weekly gap? What weekly gap?
And are you
I know
trading?
there's a weekly gap from like 2020 that I think still hasn't been filled.
Man, I keep taking the ball, run with this. The Bulls, that is, the Bulls going to keep pushing this ES higher. NASDAQ's trying to follow the ES's lead right now.
280.
Order filled.
First ever
gap above.
win on the top. First ever $5 made on.
Yes, looking for another push. New 5-minute just started.
Very proud. Very proud.
Yes,
Oh, you bought the
strongest.
pullback, Jay.
Yeah,
I did. Looking for
50
another one.
New highs, 05s. Sorry, you're reading it well.
Jay's reading it well.
That's why I'm not worried.
Yeah, I mean, I was expecting a deeper pullback. We didn't get it, but I mean, in comparison, that's still a 60-point pullback. So that's a pretty good pullback.
New highs.
You saw where we went to, Dakota. That New York view up.
Yeah, exactly. That's what we bounced off of.
The expert loser says you guys are ice cold. Missing a trade that way would set me off. Learning a lot, seeing Jay laugh about it. You have to laugh so you don't cry.
Pretty much. It's not gonna be the first time or the last time.
How are we cold? We're both positive for the day.
Ice
No,
cold.
he's saying like
ice cold in your veins, Dakota, like LeBron.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yes, ice cold.
Oh, now that makes sense, Andre. Okay,
it registers now. It's got to speak Dakota around here. It's easy.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you got to speak and that's logical. Okay.
NASDAQ 74% long here, 73% in the money. Average price 20,300.81.
See if we can get over those 327s. So rejected twice before. Let's see if this is a third time. Built this very high. Still nothing super rangy to be traded for the range traders.
I'm excited for the playoffs, man. The Lakers, we got the Tres Leches.
Bulls just worked the Lakers over the weekend with LeBron being back.
We have a basketball team?
I know, right? Well, they tell me.
That.
The Hawks won last night.
Yeah, not even the playoffs, though.
We have a hockey team, too? Man.
A hockey team?
Yeah, both? Amazing.
Oh, man, this level is still holding up pretty good. 327s here.
That's right, Hoop.
Hoop. We'll be on later today.
Yes, he will.
Get some airtime, Hoop.
Who plays basketball? Hey, Scotty, how tall are you, man? How tall is Hoop? He's a tall gentleman.
He was in the pit, towering over people.
Yes, he was. Yeah.
73% long NASDAQ.
There we go.
It's going to run for
5.
6'5". Size of Michael Jordan, right? Michael Jordan, 6, or was he 6'6"?
And shrinking.
6'6".
wants to go. It keeps trying to tap on the highs. Just have the volume to push through right now.
Yeah, Jay,
We're
what's
looking
kind of
for
your
400.
assessment of volume here in NASDAQ as we get up to these 330s? Is it just trailing off?
Yeah, it's not seeing anything convincing, and I think we're seeing it in the price action also, where it's kind of trying to go higher, but we haven't really seen anybody kind of step in and push it right away. But equity markets are meant to go up, so a lot of times we'll see, the ATR decrease, volume decrease, and price just kind of float. Uh, so that's kind of what we're seeing right now, which is why I'm buying any of these pullbacks until or if we see, a strong selling coming in. Feels pretty safe to just buy any pullback right now.
Yeah, I was gonna say this feels like a breakout trade right now. You could buy 330s, look for
Yeah.
350s or plus. This this is looking tempting for a breakout trade.
It is.
Feels like it.
Momentum is pretty good. Yeah, above below 20,400 by when, Dakota?
Next 30 minutes.
Next
Above
30
below
minutes.
fast markets. I like it. Above below fast markets edition. I like it. Also, bottom of the hour. The moment people have been waiting for. Sign up form.
What have they been waiting for? My goodness. Breakfast, lunch, dinner?
150,000 subscriber. The
Really?
VIP exclusive session,
No.
3-part series from Top Step VIP coach of their choice, of your choice.
Wow.
Analysis, risk management, and mindset. Bottom of the hour, that form will be dropping. Tell everybody. Share the news.
No!
We'll get that form in here. Bottom of the hour.
Yeah!
Jay, do you want Dakota?
Man.
Hoop. Vince. Paul.
It's getting spicy up here.
I think Anne Marie's on there as well, right? Anne
Wow.
Marie's on that list. Hoag's on that list.
Order filled.
It's like you do, and a couple of traders asked, he's like, can we do sessions with multiple coaches? But you have to pick one, right? So one coach, all 3 sessions. It's like if you guys played Pokemon and you had to pick your Pokemon to start the game, you had to choose which one you wanted. It's a tough decision to make. Tough decision.
Deanna, Jack, Paul Ray, Robert, Vince.
Oh man, I had it at 52.
New
There we go.
highs.
Emery, new highs, S&Ps, new highs Dow. Does the NASDAQ, new highs NASDAQ as well.
Yep.
Giddy up.
Only 60 points from 400.
That's it.
Well, that's a long wick, though. Let's see if this
Come on, that was
can
just
get back up there.
a stop run. It felt like we were going to go there.
Looks like
Not on the list. Not on the list. I'm sorry, Luca. Of course, you don't want me coaching you. I'm just here to jibber jabber. No. Pass it off to these coaches. Let these pros do the work around here. You know what we're talking about.
The fish, Luca.
Hey. Got a lot of coaches.
We do have a lot of coaches.
Look at that list. Holy moly.
Just
I say it's a starting 9 and a couple bullpen pitchers.
Full team here.
We losing focus.
Seriously.
Bunch of exactly, Matthew. You get it. Hey, Link. Here goes long. Link, bottom of the hour. Link will be at the bottom of the hour. Stay patient. All right, we'll keep an eye on these markets if they do continue putting new highs like the ES just did, 58.07 half. Do have some stats to start off this week. Man, Gabe's going to bring in some stats this week. Gabe, first stat drop in of the week. Are you ready, Gabe? I don't think you're ready. I don't think you're ready.
Tesla up 10% almost.
Oh, Andy's on air. Andy's muted.
Yeah, he's not ready.
Oh, what is
ready?
This?
Oh, man.
Trifecta.
My.
Order filled.
He's on air.
There he is. Come on in, Gabe.
Nope.
My mic. I don't know what's going on. All right. So good morning. Happy Monday. We have some P&Ls for you from the live funded traders from Friday. So I'm going to blow through these real quickly. This is the top 5. Now we have rake trades up there from Friday, topping out at $42,402, trading the NASDAQ We got Derek B trading the NASDAQ as well, totaling profit of $20,934. We got Just Wheel or Deeper FX, our boy from last week as well, pulling in another 17.5, trading the gold and NASDAQ. And you have Balkaron. Now, Balkaron's a familiar name as well. Pulled in at $12,556, trading the ES and the NQ. And then we got Rui, traded the NASDAQ for a total profit of $7,300. So those are your top 5 live P&Ls from Friday.
Nice.
Let's go ahead and hit payouts too while we're at it, just to get that out of the way here.
Who got paid what?
Here are your live funded payouts from Friday. We got Todd S. Now, this is the second highest payout. So we had Lisa took out 200,000 last week. Todd has now beat Lisa for a $209,000 payout. So that is number 2 behind Dakota's number 1 payout total from a single payout. We have Derek B took out 50,000. We got Carles took out $11,449. We got New took out
Order filled,
and Gustavo for a total of $3,600. So congrats taking those live funded payouts. And Eddie, you got something for me?
You know, Gabe, if you can pay yourself out $5,000 here at TopStep, traders who made $5,000 or more in the payouts can come to TopStep TV to join the payout club every day in this TV chat. We're going to drop that payout club check-in form where you can sign in for your exclusive 5K club hat and pin. And there it is. Nice. Beautiful hat and a beautiful pin. And but right now we can only ship to traders in the United States, but yes, we are looking to expand in the future. So hang tight and we'll get that out to you. But otherwise, thank you, Gabe, and we're going to pass this back to Andre. Andre,
thank you, buddy. Request your payout club package. Link is right there in the chat. Gold saw about a $6 sell off there. Last trade just put in new lows. 30.21 popped up about $2 from there. 30.23, but gold. He was doing that announcement. Gold sold off about $6 there. Well, ES very, very strong.
Just a trend day higher, man.
Are those days back? We're back for just
buy NASDAQ, wake up, buy NQ.
Crude selling off here.
Buy the dip.
Definitely selling off.
Buy the dip.
Off 50 cents.
Tesla's
Wow.
up almost 10%.
Tesla's up almost 10%.
Crude just got cleared out 25 cents. Tape bomb crude.
Right.
Oof, I know, Hoop.
There's not a lot of red on the stocks right now.
So 58.
Hey, we got a hot biscuit here.
Something hit.
Hot biscuit just hit the wire here. OPEC Plus set to proceed with plans for next monthly oil output hike in May.
There you go.
This is coming from 3 OPEC sources.
That explains that.
OPEC, yes.
Pretty bearish news, right?
Yeah, sold off about 25 cents there on that headline. Snap back up 68.69, but bottomed out at 53, 68.53.
We tried new highs. Kind of holding up decent in NASDAQ, actually. Not like we got like a huge sell-off. We're only down about, 10 points from the highs right now. Buyers are still coming in pretty strong.
Still room to the upside. Tesla's at 10%.
Well, my 200s never got filled. That's unfortunate.
Dip buyers are happy.
Yeah, they are. And Dow's just grinding. Upside. 42,861. About 7 points off the highs there. Tilt level 67% long ES right now. 70% short gold as gold continues to put in new lows here.
Gold is right at settlement. 30.21.4 is settlement in gold.
All right. That's rat.
Seeing some room down to 30.15s and maybe even 3,000s. I want to get short gold.
A little wiggle on NASDAQ. Just a little one. Starting to get a real tight Dorito on the 1 minute in the NQ.
Yeah, it's narrowing.
It is getting very narrow.
Dolby, what's Dorito? People are asking, what's Dorito? We're talking about Dorito. I think
What's
it's a
a
chip.
Dorito?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
like a snack.
yes.
Nope, it's a chart formation, right, Dolby?
It's a chart pattern. Oh yeah, just some clever marketing and branding. I think it's just like a neutral pennant formation, but I call it a Dorito. Just a series of higher lows and lower highs. So those are higher lows, lower highs. And typically you see it when indecision in the market, just waiting for something to happen.
The tilt.
You know, Andre, I was watching Mutant Ninja Turtles with my grandson this weekend.
Excellent.
And of course, you know they love pizza, right? But their
Love
second
pizza.
best is Ranch Doritos.
Ranch. Hey, those are the
Ranch
best.
Doritos.
Those are the
They are
best,
the best.
Eddie.
And we thank your mom for that flavor.
Thank you.
Yes, thanks.
That's
Legendary.
right. Yes, it is.
Damn.
You didn't know?
Ranch,
Yeah,
blue bag.
Andre's mom was part of that development for the ranch flavoring. Love it.
The dust on the fingers. Yes, that's right. My girlfriend calls it. She made the dust. Well, they called it flavor, but yes, that. Yes, the blue bag.
That's sweet.
Still seeing some selling here in gold.
Who's short the NASDAQ?
Who is short the
Anyone long
NASDAQ?
NASDAQ? Nice 1 minute range. If anyone likes longs, just a little high up here.
Tilt's still heavy to the long side, 66%.
It is.
It's impressive. They've been getting paid all morning.
And we can hold it here.
There's a little. There we go. Okay.
20,329.
Dolby time. We got a fun fact here. A fun, untrue fun fact. Frito-Lay created the Dorito in honor of old-time chart pattern from the 1930s after Dolby's great-grandfather, Sir Nicholas Dorito Dolby.
What?
There you go.
Is that Wikipedia?
Thank you,
Is that
On this day.
Investopedia? Where'd you find that?
Free. Sir
Yeah,
Nicholas.
incredible.
He's a sir.
Yeah,
A
you
queen
were
like
united.
him too, man.
I
There you
guess
go.
so, Dolby.
United.
We're all learning a lot today.
Yeah. There's a rich history in the Dolby family.
Yeah.
Very rich.
It blinded me with science.
Yeah. Also did that as
Order
well.
filled.
We're in the speaker business. We're in the science business.
Mm.
Charting as well.
Oh.
I'm short 1 gold from 3022.
I see
Short
that.
one
I see
gold.
that breakdown. I see what you're doing there.
What was
Looking
what
for 3015. 3020.2. Looking for 3015s on this. Yeah, it was just kind of hanging out there, Dakota, at that support level, and it looked like it wanted to break.
I like that trade. Breakout trade to the
Thanks.
downside.
What's your downside? Oh, nice move, man. Look at this.
Thank you, Danielle. Gold not done. New lows gold. Jay looking for perhaps a test of 30.15. Got about $3 to go there. Get through that. Oil turned around as well on that off that OPEC. Off the OPEC. About now 68.54. Right around 68.90. High day $69 even. 150K form incoming any moment now. Any moment. Danielle says, let's get hype. People in the chat hype. You guys hype. That form's coming.
You want it?
New session highs in the NASDAQ.
Give me the green.
Mhm.
Highs indeed.
Wow. 1 minute range held up pretty nice.
Vince, you want Robert, Ray, Paul, Jay, Jack Sr., Hoop, Ho, Dieta, Dakota,
My goodness.
and Marie.
This is big, man. This is big.
3-part series.
Big, big, big.
Technicals, fundamentals, mental.
Technical. Fundamentals.
Wait.
Man.
Really only 10-point moves in NASDAQ, even
I
though it
know.
looks a lot bigger than it is. It's
Pulling
not
an
as
Andre
much
over
as we
here.
think.
You're pulling an Andre, Dolby. Don't do it.
I'm calling out the Andre. You're pulling the Andre.
Yes, I am.
Did you guys have a good weekend?
Played tour guide
Yes.
all weekend. I was a tour guide
Oh,
hosted
did
all
you?
weekend. Did
Nice.
deep dish pizza, Dolby. Went to the world's largest Starbucks this weekend. First time
Oh.
and last time I'll ever do that.
Wow, you did
World's
some real
largest
touristy stuff,
Starbucks.
man.
Yes,
Why
I
is that?
did. Yes, I did.
Why?
Were you
Why is
It's on mission.
do that again?
Starbucks. It's
Sure.
a mess.
Oh, I've been there. I've been there.
Oh, my
That place is
goodness.
confusing.
Did you go to Purple Pig at least?
No purple pig. Went to Giordano's though. If you catch my,
Oh,
The
bro,
one of
are you
those.
kidding me?
It was one of
Oh my
those.
goodness.
Yes. Yes,
Purple
indeed.
Pig's
Go
the
to
only
Pink
restaurant
Monkey?
downtown.
Take 'em to the
Eddie. Not with these two. These
Well, the Purple Pig, go to the Pink Monkey, and what else is there?
Can shorts play now? Can shorts play?
Yep.
We ran liquidity up
Shorts
there
and
at
Looks like
gold.
it.
Hey,
Yeah.
350.
Hey, we got gold 80% short right now.
And it's getting
That is
smoked.
just
right
come
now.
bottom, baby.
Crowded trade. Get out of there. Leave me alone.
30, 23.74 is the average.
All right, we ready to do this? Are we ready to do this, people? Eddie, are
Ready.
you ready? Gabe, are you ready back there? Danielle, are you ready?
Can you
150,000
do it?
subscriber celebration. We're at 152,000. Yes, we cannot thank you enough for your patience. We saw Danielle on Friday saying we got a lot of moving parts to get this off the ground. What better time than right here, right now? Eddie, my main man,
Ready.
take it away.
Ready.
Let's go.
Oh, here we go again. Who do we have here again? Yes, Vince, Coach Robert, Ray, Paul, Jay, Jack. Oh,
Oh, man. Thank you, Eddie. I like that little rhyme you had there. Yes. And Anne Marie.
it was going, wasn't it? Yeah.
Oh, man. Chat is fired up.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
Great reception. Friday, they're pumped. Today's, I don't know what happened. Oh, no. Come on.
All right, I'm
We
flat
got you.
gold.
All right.
Nice. What'd you get?
I got out at 15.7. So another
15.7.
plus 400 there. Plus 514 on the
trade.
day.
Nice.
Good job,
You're just
Gabe.
trailing your stop down?
Yeah, just trailing it. So 30.15 was the target on that, and we got down to
nice.
30.12.8. I didn't want to try to choke the trade if it wanted to sell towards 3,000. So once it hit 15, I just trailed from there.
Nice.
And now happy to be out because we're seeing some buying coming in here.
Oh, man. Yes, we are.
Still nothing on the NASDAQ. It's just grind.
Yeah. I mean, there's some decent range trades that set up, but if you're not looking for range trades, then what's the point?
Let's turn into.
They're not there for you. And they're not even great
Mm-hmm.
range trades. You're looking like 15, 20 points. So it is not huge ranges. NASDAQ's actually tightened up quite a bit. These are not big moves anymore. 20 points up, 20 points down.
can I sign up?
I was
Yeah.
just about to. I just clicked on the link. I'm gonna see who I'm gonna sign up with.
Oh, yes. Coaches looking for coaching. I like that.
Hey, this over the wire here. I'm not sure if
Yeah.
it's going to be much. Trump talking. The U.S. is putting secondary tariff on the country of Venezuela.
Wow.
Another one. All right. Yeah, I see that. Thank you, Eddie. Popped out at $69.09 in the crude. 20,325 in the NASDAQ. Range,
Starting to get
The,
some
the
lower
dichotomy
highs.
of the dichotomy of the internet. I have one person saying thank you in advance for the coaching, and then another person saying 0 people are going to sign up to
Order
coach with me.
filled.
Gotta
Zero.
love it.
Zero, Jay?
I
Come
at least
on.
got one.
I'll
I
sign
at
up
I
least
for
have
signed
you.
up
one.
for you, Coach Jay.
I at least have one. Silent NW2. I got you.
Form pin to the top of the chat.
There you go.
Form
Jay,
pin to
my
the top
post
of the
this
chat.
weekend describes the chat.
Love them.
Marshmallows?
Yep.
Marshmallows, man. Marshmallows.
Dude, bro, I'm too busy with cold water on face guy.
What is that?
guy
What,
Yeah.
I
catch
don't
me up
know.
to speed on that.
I'm
What is
surprised
that?
you guys didn't do that. You guys didn't do
I
that. You
missed
don't
it.
do that. I do it every morning before I trade.
Yeah.
Dudes.
Why is
Ice
that
cold
big
water.
routine.
Wake your ass up.
Oh,
I
that's
think
all.
It
he
has something to
uses
do with.
bubbly water. I think that might be the drama, is that he's using
It's just,
bottled
well, it's not
bubbly
just
water for
water.
his.
Ice cold.
Not just water.
Here's something over the wire, folks. Want to share
What
with
we got,
everybody
Eddie?
here. I just want to get this out here again. Here's a big doozy. Trump says any country, if any country that buys oil or gas from Venezuela will pay a 25% tariff to the U.S. It's
Okay.
effective April 2nd. So if you plan on going over there with your Ford 150 pickup, buy some oil or gas, don't do it. You'll have to pay a 25% tariff. It's the U.S.
100%.
Hmm.
So
And
he's
it's almost
putting
like
a whammy on Venezuela. Yeah.
And the market's not flinching as much as it used to with these headlines. It's just
No.
the markets are just they're numb.
Yep.
They've been calloused to it.
Well,
Last
April
week,
2nd
2 weeks, it's
has
not-
gotten mentioned several times, Dre. So maybe the market now is just waiting for this
Could be.
April 2nd news, which is, I think, like a lot of tariff deadline stuff is happening around then. So maybe market just waits. They're burnt out on tariff news. They just want the answer. They're tired of the speculation. Market just wants
Yep.
the answer. What are we doing? Are we doing tariffs or no?
We're gonna find out in April.
We are.
We will. And like
Same thing
Tuckman
again.
was saying, market's just glazing over at this point.
What a bitch.
I do want to see if we can make some higher highs here, because the last couple candlesticks on shorter time frames have actually been lower
Order
highs,
filled.
at least on the 1 minute and 5 minute. So maybe bulls are getting a little bit of altitude sickness up here. We'll
I
see.
still think we have
Little
more room to the upside,
speculation.
man. I think this is just
I
one
also
where
agree.
we trap shorts.
Trap
Today
'em.
just feels like one of those days. Market's too
Oh, it's-
focused on that Saratoga sparkling water. I'm surprised nobody else does it. Why is that?
You're facing an
surprise
ice bowl
you-
today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
every
It's one
morning
of those
before I wake
days.
up and I come on
Is that-
TopStep TV and then the banana peels.
What flavor of sparkling water do you use
do not-
for your face bath?
Non-flavored.
Dakota?
Non-flavored.
Hmm?
It's the Saratoga
Unflavored?
carbonated sparkling water, and then like the banana pills. Like
I saw that.
people get like focused on the randomest crap. I swear, man.
I really hope that was viral marketing by Saratoga Bubbly Water Company. That would be incredible.
that what it was. Gotcha.
I'm more of a Pellegrino fan myself, but
Look at
Mhm.
you.
Small
Bougie around
bubbles, Jay. It's about the small
if
bubbles.
Saratoga's all you got, then
God.
What's that discount one? Like Bevy sparkling water? That's what I
Mhm.
use. It's like 25 cents a can.
Form pin in the top of the chat. That group coaching assign. Man, oh man. I think it's pretty cool. Good to see. Chat thinks it's pretty cool. I bet people get a lot of value from it. Have to.
I think also just for the if you haven't picked your coach already, I see some people in the chat saying, "Oh, I know I'm for sure going to sign up to this person." Maybe consider a coach that you have not worked with before, right? Someone where you heard,
Mhm.
how they trade on TopStep TV, just to get a different perspective. The people that join me all the time for At the Buzzer, I love it if you guys do sign up, and we'll go a little bit more in depth, especially when we get to technical analysis about volume stuff. But
Mhm.
maybe sign up for a coach that you haven't worked with before, just to get a different perspective. But I don't think there is a wrong answer really for anyone that we sign up with.
Yeah, I like that, Coach Jay. Even though you might think that one of the coaches kind of works with the way you trade in your strategy, it's so nice to get a different perspective and see
Build the
a different
toolbox.
point of view in viewing the market. And
Yep.
even if you go and say, "I'm already a good trader, I don't need coaching, I just want a reset." You want
Order
that for a
filled.
reason, right? And
Right.
just go in, like, have your expectations, understand it, go in with an open mind, and maybe you learn something, maybe you don't. But I mean, education is never a bad thing.
Always, always, always. Agree. Pin is formed to the top of the chat. How long's that pin? How long is that form going to be up there? All day, hour? How are we going to do that one, Danielle?
I think all day.
All
Well, that
day?
Wow.
Be up there all day? Oh man,
in my Danielle voice all day.
Okay.
they're just gonna love it all day, all